Vantrue and 3-channel 4K dash cam, 4K plus 1080p front and rear, 4K plus 1080p front and inside, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p 3-way triple car camera, IR night vision, 24-hour parking mode, capacitor, support 256GB max. All-around 360-degree, full protection. It utilizes 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera and 160 degrees rear camera to record front, inside and road back simultaneously. The inside camera lens is 45-degree vertically rotatable for best viewing angle, and the rear camera lens is 360-degree rotatable. Speed, location, route tracking. With the external GPS mount, the cam can provide a live view in km/h or mp/h on the dash cam. It can also record location and route while tracking GPS data on PC with the Vantrue GPS player. Please note, to use this function, you will need to buy GPS modules separately via ASIN V083XBS88L. Time-lapse. With time-lapse, the dash cam can sustain longer operational periods while reducing video file size, greatly saving space on the memory card and allowing you to capture a time-lapsed video of a multi-week road trip. Recommend Vantrue micro SD card. Please don't use SanDisk card and Transcend card. Sensor, Sony Starvis CMOS sensor. Display, 2.45-inch IPS LCD. Audio, built-in microphone and speaker. USB port, Type-C USB. Video format, MP4. Video playback, PC, Windows, Vista, Mac/TV/dash cam. Front plus cabin plus rear mode resolution, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p at 30 fps max. Front plus cabin mode resolution, 4K 2160p plus 1080p at 25 fps max. Front plus rear mode resolution, 4K 2160p plus 1080p at 25 fps max. Front mode resolution, 4K 2160p at 30 fps max. External memory, micro SD card, U3 or higher, up to 256GB.